Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shakay. If you're new here, welcome. So it is another Sunday, so you know it's the start of a new vlog. So yes guys, welcome. I know last week I did not video a lot of stuff last week, but I'm hoping this week will be better. I don't know, last week I felt like I was repeating everything on the vlogs because I basically am at home all week. So it's week 3, or is it week 4? I think it's week 4 of being socially distant, self-distancing and all of that. So we are here. I'm back home from church and I'm gonna do the huge. I'm gonna fry chicken because that's all I do on a Sunday. Most times mom does everything else and then I fry the chicken most times. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Everybody else is over at church. I went to the first service, me and my dad, but he's also preaching at the second service. So my mom, sister, and him, they're over there now, and I'm here by myself. Fun. So let's get this done. I don't have a problem being alone, by the way, just saying, because I actually like being alone. Yeah, I don't have a problem. Hey guys, so today we're gonna have a spa day. So I'm gonna get my hair. It is currently dry and I need it to be moisturized, so I'm gonna deep condition. I'm gonna moisturize. I'm also gonna do something with this face of mine, as well as these nails and a lot of other parts of my body. So we're gonna have a spa day today. So I have some of the things I'm gonna use. So I got my shampoo, my deep conditioner, and then I'm going to have that set for like 10-20 minutes. Then after I wash it out, I'm going to put this first and this, and then seal it in with this oil. And then I'm going to, what do you call that? I'm gonna put this thing over it. Well, I call them something. I've never read them. Yes, I'm gonna use that to rot it. So yeah, need to get something. Gonna get this thing here. So this will use there. Then I have my body scrub. So I'm gonna use that on my body today. And my foot scrub. I'm gonna get these things off first before I go any further. As well as my toes. You know, they're hovering now. Alright, I've cleaned off my fingers and my toes. Now I am going to do the hair. So I'm going to comb this out and wash and put in the deep conditioner. Hey guys, so as you can see, I have on a nose strip that's pulling out stuff out of my nails, and I got on this thing. It is currently, I'm deep conditioning my hair at the moment. So yeah, and I did shave my face too. See? Don't know if you guys can see that. Some peach fuzz. Hey guys, so I did scrub. So I tell you guys, my hands feel so soft. My skin feels soft. My face feels soft. Like, so I'm living for this. Like, it feels good. So now I am going to set my hair. I'm going to roll it and let it air dry. Then I'm going to clean my earrings, change them out. I haven't changed them in a while, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna moisturize my face afterwards. So yeah, bye guys. I spent the entire night last night trying to find, you know, ways I can make my hair not feel so, you know, I need it to feel good. Like, it's not feeling the best. Alright guys, so I have finished my hair and I'm gonna leave it out to dry because it's wet. So now I'm gonna clean my ears. I haven't cleaned them in a while. And then I'm gonna do my face.